Now let me explain this diagram. As you can see, I've put an eye in the centre of a room. Now, the square is solids, it's what you see. It gives you awareness of self-being. You spell where you are at an astronomical rate. It gives you self-awareness, because you learn through growing up and interacting with your environment that you need to spell to know where you are, basically. So what I've got there is I've got the line of sight, which is the eye, and behind it is 5 vowels. Now that's your subconscious action. Now what happens is the trigger are the 2 consonants, which will be repeated constantly after you've used your vowels. Then it's also completed with your eyesight to the solids, which also have consonants and vowels. I know that it's complicated, but I do know that when the perpetrators see this, they'll understand that I know what I'm talking about.